Hello, this is Wendy, your instructor. I'm making this short video to illustrate how to do the tutorial projects. The first thing you need to do is to log in to sam.cengage.com. Then go and click on your activity list. If you have registered for other classes, you'll need to come down to your sections and choose the section that you want to work in. You'll then go and find the tutorial project that is assigned and click on it. When you do that, you end up with this splash screen that gives you more information about how I want you to do it. Please note that you have a maximum number of submissions of 3. And then beneath it, it shows you how many submission times you have remaining. And then it says click to start the assignment. So that's what we'll do. When you do that, you get a screen that pops up that has the title. It also has instructions. It says click to download the link to the instruction file. Follow the instructions to complete the project. You download the instructions, and you can go ahead and open them. Typically, the instructions will be in a Word document. It may take it a minute to open, so be patient as you're doing that. You may have to click Enable Editing, and you'll see that your assignments for this project, your instructions for this project, are within this document. Now it says download the following file from SAM. This is a student access file. So I'll go back into SAM, find that file, click it, which will allow me to download it. So I can open View Downloads, which is a folder on your computer, or you can open the folder to which it was downloaded. In this case, I suggest that because this is a database, I suggest you open the folder. If it were any other type of document, you could just open the document and save it. But with Access, you need to open the folder, this is my download folder, and there we go. You can see it's right there. You can right click on it, and what I would do is I would copy it to a folder that you may have saved on your desktop or on the U drive at school or on your thumb drive so that you can work on it. I'm just going to click right in my desktop, which is off screen. I'm going to make a new folder, and in this case I'm working in Access, so I'll do ACC, and I'm working in Tutorial 1, so I will make it ACCT1. Seems I already have one of those, so I will use the new folder, and I will at this point now close my downloads because I have copied it. Find my folder on my desktop and save it to that folder. If there are any other files in the Start Files, it's a good idea to download them at this point. After you have downloaded all the necessary files, you come back to your instruction page And notice that it says that you need to save what you downloaded with a new name. Also notice that it says if you do not see the file extension in the Save dialog box, do not type it. The file extension will be automatically added for you. Now, the best way that I find to get the spelling correct is to just go ahead and highlight and copy what they want you to name it, and then go into your folder where you have saved the document that you're working on, right-click, and rename it. And all you have to do is, when you go to rename, it'll be highlighted. You can just paste over what you have put in there. Now, you may have to backspace a little bit because there may be some other characters in there. So be sure that the NP is right at the edge of your input box. Notice mine has two extensions on it. I'll just go ahead and get rid of one of them because I don't need two. And then I'll press enter on my keyboard. And that's how you save the document that you'll be working on. Then you're going to go back to the instructions and notice it says to download the other ones, which you already have. And then it also tells you to open the grading info table and ensure that your first and last name is displayed in the first record of the table. Now, this particular instance, it wants you to go ahead and open your file that you downloaded, the main one that you're going to be working on. In this case, it's an Access database. So at this point, I'm going to stop because then this video becomes specific to Access. You can follow these steps for whichever course you're in. Just remember that if you're going to take advantage of the multiple tries for better grades, that you have to download the new start files each time you do your second or your third try. If you have any questions, go ahead and text me at the number that is in your information. And if you have questions and can't reach me in class time, I'll be happy to help you.